Let's look at this. For a real number a, if log of base 15a plus log of base 32a divided by log of base 15a log of base 32a is equals to 4, then a must lie in what range? That is what the question is. Right now, log of base 15, log of base 32, but the input values of all the logs is same. Right, so log of 15 base 15a can be written as 1 by log of base a 15. What am I trying to do is to convert all the logs in the same base so that addition, multiplication and all turns out to be a little more easier for me with the base being same, right? So log of base 15a can be written as 1 by log of base a 15. Similarly, log of base a 32 can be written as 1 by log of base a 32 over here. Divide this particular value, log of base 15a is 1 by log of base a 15 multiplied by 1 by log of base a 32. This is going to be the value, right? Now, just solve this further. Your numerator over here will turn out to be log of base a 32 plus log of base a 15 divided by log of base a 15 and log of base a 32. This is divided by 1 by log of base a 15 and log of base a 32. So if you multiply this, if you take it in the numerator, so let's say if you have this particular value divided by log of base a, log of base a 32 multiplied by log of base a 15, that will be your numerator, and that is divided by 1 by log of base a 15 multiplied by log of base a 32. You will realize this division will change into multiplication. This will go in the numerator, so you can cancel these two values. What we are left with is log of base a 32 plus log of base a 15, which can be written as log of base a 32 multiplied by 15. That turns out to be equals to 4 given on the question itself, correct? So now what are we looking at? 32 into 15, which is 15 into 2 is 30, 45, 480 should be equals to 4 to the power of a is what you are looking at. Now you're wanting to find out the range of a. So if you look at the power of value of a, what can it be? If you take the value of a as 1, it will be 4 power 1. It will be 4 power 2. 4 power 2 will be 16. 4 power 3 will be 64. 4 power 4, which is going to be 4 power 4 is effectively nothing but 2 power of 8. 2 power of 8 is what? 256. Again, that is lower, right? So a4 is not working out. A5, which is 4 power of 5, which is 2 power of 10 you are looking at, which is 1024, correct? So a has to be greater than 4 for sure and less than 5 for sure. So a lies between what? 4 to 5. Option C turns out to be the answer for this question.